Hey everybody, it's Derek and welcome to 365.Training presents Power Platform Solutions Preview. So obviously as we get into springtime, a lot of new features and functionality start to get rolled out as it relates to the Power Platform and Dynamics 365. And one of the more exciting changes that are coming out is the changes that they've made to solutions. So what I wanted to do in this video is just take a look at a feature I'm most excited about, and that's the new tree view that kind of gives us a little bit different way of looking at the individual solution components. So first, let's just talk a little bit about how you get access to the new preview functionality. So instead of going into make.powerapps.com, if you go to make.preview.powerapps.com, it'll open up your Maker portal in preview view. This lets you access preview features that are available inside your tenant. So the first thing that you're going to do once you're in your environment is you're going to go into solutions. And when you click on solutions, you'll see an option up here towards the top that basically references the solution preview. If you come on and turn on the solution preview, it'll now enable the solution preview functionality. So as you come down and look at, for example, a solution. So I'm going to open up this solution that we have here. One of the biggest things that you're going to notice as part of this is the tree view. And this is probably what I'm most excited about. If any of you are coming from a historical Dynamics 365 background, this is very similar to what we had before. It made navigating solution components much, much easier because you didn't necessarily have to drive up and down. So what you'll see here in this tree view is now I can really start looking at these individual components based upon what they are. So if I have apps, if I have chatbots, I can start diving into the different elements. I can see all choices that I have. I can see any cloud flows that are included in this solution. I can look at connection references, processes. By expanding this information, it makes it much easier for you to dive into the individual item that you want to look at because you don't necessarily have to go out and try to scroll up and down. You still have searching capabilities. So if you're coming over into here from a search standpoint, I still have the ability to go out and identify the particular option that I'm looking for. Now, what this tree view will do is it'll only expand stuff based upon what is currently in this solution. So right now you're seeing apps and chatbots and choices and web resources. That's because that's all that I have in here. If I were to go in and add things like environment variables, I would now see an area for those. So think about whatever it is that you're bringing into what you're doing. These are the items that you will see accordingly. So if I come in here and add an existing security role, if I select the security role that I want to bring in, now you'll notice that it will add a security option to my tree that'll now associate it with the specific security roles. When you have items like tables that have more areas that you can work with, you can expand those tables, and now you'll see every table that is currently in this solution. As I expand the table, now I'll have access to all of that relevant information, whether it's columns, relationships, business rules, dashboards, so on and so forth. I can also select the item that I want, and once I select that item, it'll open up the traditional table editor where I'll have all of that information here that I can still navigate through. So the big thing that this is allowing you is ease of use. It's making all of the information that you have in this solution up front and center, and it also makes it much easier for you to navigate and access that information when you're moving forward. Other than that, the regular solution functionality is still going to continue. You're still going to be able to run solution checker. You're still going to be able to go out and do a lot of the different things from a versioning standpoint. You just have quicker access to be able to work with the items inside the solution. So I hope you enjoyed our introductory look into the new solutions capabilities that are currently in preview. For all of us here at 365 Training, this is Derek saying thanks again everybody for watching. Take care and have a good one.